Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed before, definitely subscribe now and hit that like button. This video is a following from the last video. The last video was introducing people on how to use dating apps, what goes on dating apps, and especially the live streaming. Not too much on tips and tricks, but exposing how to use it and what people use it for and why you see so much random junk going on these dating apps in modern day age. Now, this video right here is a video exposing Meetme, Tagged, all of the free dating apps, and basically it's all going to be on one app. How to spot scams, fakes, schemers, people with the cash apps and all that type of stuff. How do you differentiate who's real and who's not? How do you know? Because it's hard to know who's real and who's not on these apps. It's a lot of fake people, and I want to expose it here today because people who use them, even they have a hard time finding out and knowing, and people who don't use them, they have no idea what they're getting themselves into, and they don't know how to find the genuine people as well, because they don't know how to find out who's fake, and they're pretty much bombarded with the scams. So let's get into it. That was the first minute of the video. Hopefully I didn't take up too much of you guys' time. Now right now, this is what the first thing you see on a free dating app. You see a plethora of women, or the woman side you see a plethora of men. But however, there is a lot of bots that you don't know, or a lot of people who say they are someone, but you realize that when you click onto their live or you see that in real life, they are not who they say they are because there's too many filters or whatever. So right now, I'm about to go into the fakes as we continue. Now we're going to scroll down. First thing you see, how many people from 1 to 10 is fake and real from top to bottom? So right now, these are the first 10 people. We got move that because that's a fake. Every time you get an ad friend as a dude, that's fake. Women might get real people, but men, all the people who do the ad request or whatever on any of these apps are fake. They are definitely scams because no woman is looking or seeking that hard or going to say anything. I don't care how good you look. I have pictures with my shirt off. I have pictures with my shirt on. I got pictures looking sophisticated. I got a career, show people my career, show people my car, all of that. None of that works. Or it does give you a good look, but however, most of your, I don't say engagement, will due to your conversation skills more than anything. And then the look play a part. Because if you're short, sometimes you get, shortcomings in the end. Or if you, black or dark skinned, and sometimes it don't, things ain't gonna always go your way, So anyway, first 10 people, 3, 6, 9, 12. We got 12 people right here. Out of 12 people, how many is real, how many is fake? Number 1, I typed in woman looking for men nearby. This is going to be on Tagged, Meetme, Skout, and Plenty of Fish. Woman looking for men nearby. First 3, we're going to click on the first one. First one, not even from around here. That's way too far away, definitely not nearby, and that's the first 3. Wouldn't the first 3 be somebody who's nearby? You would think. But anyway, we're going to skip over that one. First one, the person's from New York, probably paid for the app or whatever, got on the top of the charts or whatever, has nothing to do with meeting anyone. Anyway, second person is a TS. We're going to skip over that one, and they're not from around here. Third person is going live and probably not from around here as well. So neither one of them is a potential. Neither one of them. Now, second column, first person, boom, boom, got enough pictures. Boom, that's about enough. No games, perfect description. She's real. That person who just messaged me, fake. That person right there, real. This right here is a real sister. I could attest to that. And I'm even going to say something to her just to show her some love. I'm not going to send her all that, but I'm going to send her a little something right there. Because just for her being real. Let's see if she respond. That also is proof of a real, if she's real or not. If she respond with a Snapchat or a kick, then she's fake. Automatically. Log off and block. They are fake. As soon as they say Snapchat or kick, they're fake. Understand that. Now, second person. So we got 1 out of 5. This person right here. Everything's private. 2 of the same picture. Fake. Fake or possibility of being real, but damn sure not looking for nobody. As you can see, nothing is filled out. That's automatically a scam right there. Or that's a high flag, a red flag right there. We're going to go into a third person. See her on here way too much all the time. This is a real person. However, not really my cup of tea, but I'll show her some love for being real. So right there, that's a good percentage of people. Two people nearby, same vicinity. They not ugly. You dig what I'm saying? So we're gonna go on to the next column. This person right here is a TS. This person right here, just looking for some fun. Oh, TS. As you can see right there in that picture. I logged out of the whole damn app. Anyway, you're going to go over to this person right here. Commander Save-A-Ho. Oh, selling one of those Snapchats or something like that. That right there. So all three of those are TSs. This right here, a person who's been on here pretty much forever. However, one of those, no. We're going to skip over here. A TS. We're going to go over here. A TS. Okay. We're going to scroll down. These three right here are real. However, they've been on this app forever. They're OGs in the game. Let's see if they even nearby at least. This person right here is at least nearby. Oh wait. TS. Okay. And this isn't me shining a negative light on this app. This app is full of them. There's not too many real people. As you can see here, let's click on her. She look like she might be real. Looking for fun, I love sex. Nope, fake. Look at this. As soon as you see something like that, you know that's fake. As soon as you see something like follow my Snapchat, you know that's fake. As soon as you see too many filters, you know she's fake. It's easy to spot. That could be a man, woman, you don't know what that is. This is the type of stuff that you run into on these apps as I'm exposing here. Definitely hit the like button. Definitely follow Cap and Date. You see, the problem with these apps is this. The women don't understand what goes on the men's side. So as you scroll through these people, this is all day long. You see all these people and you think, maybe these people are real. Maybe some of these women actually looking for a genuine person. Or maybe most of these people are here or on here have been on here for years. Years. OGs. They've been on here with 2, 3, 4 different accounts, 5 different accounts, expecting people to take them serious. They have been and ran through so many people. You see if 2 or 3 dudes go on the app at the same time and scroll down the list of women they slept with, 9 times out of 10 they slept with or met the same woman. Not everybody even sleep with on this app. Some people you just hang around or smoke with or try to get to know them, and you find out that was the last thing you could have wanted to do. Because the filters, you can't filter your real life. You realize that it's a waste of time at the end of the day. You might be able to find love, but that's 1 in a million. One thing that somebody said on here, I take to heart. She said the people on here are leftovers. They're hurt people. Everyone I've met on this app was hurt in some way or another. Went through hell, don't know how to deal with life, went through past relationship problems, don't look the way they want to look and think they look better than they look because so many simps on here make them feel as if they're, they boost their confidence level into a extreme amount where they don't even think in real terms anymore. Now, before I get disrespectful or go too far, I just want to end this with exposing some of the stuff that go on here, and this is one of the things that we all run into. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you want to see more and you want me to go more in depth, but we all gonna go through it, and everybody one day end up single, and when you get in a relationship, everyone ends up rusty. So don't sweat the small things. Here's one thing I want to say to all of you. There's no such thing as depending on apps. Whether you like it or not, Dating is changing. This world of dating is changing. When you look outside, people are meeting, people are learning about these apps and downloading these apps every day. God forbid you meet a woman or meet your man and they learn about these apps after you in a relationship and they get a little greedy and they start really having a reason to hide their phone. As soon as someone get the Text Now app on their phone, it is a wrap for your relationship, which you need a second number for there, buddy. But anyway, God bless. Take care.